Hello everyone, this is Shamalaka here. Today I'm going to show you how I make this nice and just yummy African vegetables. So first I season my chicken with my homemade seasoning and then I boil, and then later I fry them as this is how we fry in Africa. No flour at all, it's more healthier version. And then you can see the chicken are cooking nicely, and then get them out. I also add a little bit of what I call the African fromage, particularly fromage on it. You can see this black barrier, that's the African fromage, particularly fromage. And after that, I just make my sauce. My light bills is very easy. Just get the bouillon from the meat, and then we're gonna put some tomatoes and onions and garlic and ginger, and let them go very good nicely. And as you can see, everything is nice, and we're gonna cover, put some other seasoning, cover it up, and let it go. You can see right there that's what I'm doing, and I'm trying to let them cook. Okay, and you see now after that you can all start boiling the meat, and then put my bouillon, which my homemade bouillon, and you can also buy this if you want to, and just give it a good mix and let that boil for a while. It is delicious. You can eat it with rice. Put some onions on it, and then I'm gonna go there and just taste it and see the flavor that I want. You have freedom to season the way you want it to, and after that, just let them simmer for a while. Yeah. So, and then I also put some salad on it on the sides because I'm make this healthy. I put some salad, just some very, very simple salad: cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions and lettuce. And then I use my homemade honey mustard. I also put some cheese. I think it's pecorino cheese on it, just to give me a little nut. I don't know, Frenchy, whatever. And I also put a little nut on it. And I sweat my rice on the side. And this is delicious, yo. It's amazing. I'm telling you. This is nice to go. And all of this thing was done under 30 minutes, yo. Amazing. Ciao for now.